you're going to use a paper or rubber cement that requires 2 coats. This is a large canister of this particular brand of paper cement. This is a petroleum product, so keep it away from fire, flame, and your pet dragon. But what you do with this is coat one surface, let it dry, coat the other surface, let it dry. After both surfaces are dry, which is about 5 minutes, then you stick them together. So the way I use this is real simple. This does not come with a brush. The smaller jars will. They'll have a brush in the cap. So use a little cup, paint pot, souffle cup. You don't need much cement. In fact, you don't even need that much for this. So it's not very glamorous, but it's cheap and easy. So I'm going to give a thin coat on within the boundary or the perimeter of those 4 little pinpricks that I just made. And so I'm going to grab some rubber cement and just start spreading it. And you want to take it all the way out to the edge of that perimeter. And it doesn't need to be very thick. The trick is to get the entire surface coated. The thing that you're mounting onto that board is going to have edges, and you need to coat all the way out to the edge. So instead of just laying it down on the tabletop or on your cutting mat and letting the rubber cement get all over the place, use another kind of material. So with this, it's basically the same thing. But you want to make sure you get everything out all the way to the edge. Because where it's not cemented, and by the way, this is on the opposite side of your artwork or your design. So you're doing this on the back of your design. Both surfaces are coated, both surfaces are dry. Now we want to go find those pin pricks again. We're going to turn this over, grab this very carefully. See what I'm doing there? And the reason we're doing that is to be able to place it and pivot it into place. Okay, so see all the excess rubber cement? That's what this is for. This is a rubber cement pickup. It's a piece of crepe. It's about 2 inches square, 1/4 inch in thickness. You can actually make these smaller by slicing and dicing if you want to. But what this does is with dry rubber cement, it takes it away. Cleans everything up very nicely. It is fairly easy to clean up if it's dry. If the rubber cement is still wet, it will the rubber cement pickup will only mush it around, making even more of a mess, so you don't want to do that. Okay. So you clean up your board. Now, the thing is, there are no gaps. The corners are adhered. It is totally flush with the presentation surface, and that's what you want.